Okay, I'm gonna show you how to bleed the cooling system on the ecotec. The car we're working on is a 2012 Malibu, and the way I did it is, at first I didn't have any heat coming out. So what I did was I filled the coolant reservoir, then I followed this hose, removed this upper hose, then remove the radiator hose. Do all this while the car is cool. Do not do it while it's hot. And what I did was I poured the coolant directly into the hose to fill the radiator, and I got a funnel and stick it into the engine, the head, and filled it that way also. And when I put the hose back on, I have a little coming out the nipple here, so I replaced this hose back on and started it up and let it run, get up to operating temperature, and heat started blowing good. Got good circulation. That's how easy it is. I know I've never seen any videos on how to do it. They said you had to vacuum fill it some kind of way, but I did it that way. The coolant still full. I let it run for a good 45 minutes. No overheating, anything. That's how easy it can be.